last night, L Brand slashed its guidance, dragged down by weakness of Victoria's Secret. Stock got tossed in the wood chipper. It lost more than 11% today. Nearly every other apparel retailer with halfway competent management has been making a killing here. So why does Victoria's Secret keep struggling? Have bras gone out of style? Seems unlikely. Maybe this particular brand simply lost its cachet. Sometimes to understand a particular industry, we need to go off the tape and check in with privately held companies that are using technology to disrupt their competitors. When it comes to women's underwear, that's ThirdLove. Here's a company that sells custom-fitted bras along with loungewear and nightwear. To the gentlemen in the audience, you might not know this, but for many women, finding a comfortable bra that actually fits can be a nightmare. So ThirdLove rolled out a mobile app which lets women take pictures of themselves at home and then uses machine learning to figure out the best size. They're also the first company to use half sizes, which is a huge deal, as 30% of all women need them. That's why ThirdLove's been growing like crazy. In fact, this startup is already profitable. So let's take a closer look with Heidi Zak. She's the co-founder and CEO of ThirdLove, who's upending the entire bra industry. Ms. Zak, welcome to Mad Money.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, Heidi, most of our audience skews toward men.
Yeah.
And for me, I said, when I saw this, I said, half size, what's the big deal? But most of my staff skews women, and they said, Jim, nobody else has half sizes. How can that be? And how'd you think of it?
Well, we use data, so we collect a lot of data, and what we saw is a lot of women were falling in between traditional cup sizes. And if you think about it, shoes have half sizes, obviously, right. So why shouldn't bras? And that's really how it came about. It's very hard for a brick and mortar retailer as well to carry half sizes because it would be a lot more SKUs for them.
Okay, now this is important. How many do you have, and why can you carry so many?
So we have over 70 sizes. To put that in perspective, Victoria's Secret has 36, so we have more than double.
All right, now, on March of this year, March 30th, Leslie Wexner, founder of Victoria's Secret, gave an interview to the Financial Times. He was asked, by the journalist, about the predictive power of data and algorithms. He poo-pooed the relevance. He said that he was just dismissive and it didn't really matter. How do you feel about that?
So I disagree. I think we've built our business using data, and data drives all the decisions we make. So from product development, inventory management, marketing, personalization, we use data to create segments of customers and then use really targeted marketing to speak to each individual woman.
Could that be in part because of the couple of years you spent at Google?
Perhaps. It might be.
Or at MIT?
That too.
Okay, so where are we in terms of what people are willing to spend? Because we've just gone through a period where we found that apparel spend is the single hottest area of all areas in America. You seeing the same thing?
Absolutely. I think there's a real focus on quality and consumers demanding quality. And so that's what we really focus on at ThirdLove. We're certainly not the cheapest bra you're going to find, but it's really high quality and it's going to last. And that's what women really want.
All right. Now, how about the way, again, I'm conscious I am. I don't want to be sexist, but women who shop, it seems like it's a tougher thing to go shop and try on a bra than, say, we had Victor Luis on recently, to go get a handbag, go get shoes, which size don't change. That cuts in your favor, doesn't it?
Absolutely. So I think there's no women out there that say, you know what I want to do on a Saturday afternoon? I want to go bra shopping. No woman wants to do that. So when I started the company, it was really about convenience and building an amazing online experience. And so that's really what we focused on. Okay,
but are there not some people who are not look, you use the selfie method. Well, I mean, it seems to me that it seems minimally invasive, isn't it?
So what we actually have is a fit finder. The app was something we had in the early days. Today we have a fit finder. A woman answers 10 to 12 questions in under 60 seconds. And using the data we collect and algorithms we've developed internally, we'll recommend her size down to the half cup and the style meant for her body. And so we're using all that data and we get smarter. With every woman who does the fit finder, we become smarter and smarter. We've had over 10 million women do our fit finder.
All right, then tell me, with 10 million women, is there a wait list to get your product?
So we launched 25 new sizes in June. We had close to 1.5 million women on a wait list for all these new sizes. And I get asked the question, how did you figure out what new sizes to launch in bras? We looked at the data. The top 25 sizes, we developed those, we launched those, and we sold out in under 30 days.
Jeez, that's incredible. Yeah. Now, Leslie Wexner often says that men don't ever go to Victoria's Secret to pick up bras except for right before Valentine's Day and right before Christmas. Yeah. Are you having any men customers for women?
We do. It's a small percent of our sales as well, but we absolutely, a lot of times men will hear about our company and say, you know what, I hear my girlfriend, wife, sister complain about bras, and then they'll actually buy them a gift card and tell them to check us out. So.
Okay, and last question, where do you source?
Asia, yes.
But China?
Yes.
How quickly can you shift out of China?
We're working on it.
How much is, because there will be a tariff.
Yeah.
How much percentage is China?
About half right now.
All right. How quickly can you get out of there?
We're working on it.
All right. Very good. Fair enough. You're not a public company. I'm not going to press you on that. That's Heidi Zak. She's the ThirdLove co-founder and co-CEO. Look what she's done. You got Victoria's Secret going right down and her going right up. Mad Money's back in. Booyah! Jim Cramer here from Mad Money. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube. Click here to subscribe and get the jump on my exclusives with CEOs, plus market news, investing advice, and a whole lot more.